Unit 5, My Senses. Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Lesson 2, Grammar. Ears, ears. Mouth, mouth. Hands, hands. Nose, nose. Eyes, eyes. See, see. Hear, hear. Smell, smell. Taste, taste. Touch, touch. Let's practice. I can, I can. I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. I can smell with my nose. I can smell with my nose. I can taste with my mouth. I can taste with my mouth. I can touch with my hands. I can touch with my hands. Let's learn more. I can see a tree. I can see a tree. I can hear a song. I can hear a song. I can smell a flower. I can smell a flower. I can taste a cookie. I can taste a cookie. I can touch a ball. I can touch a ball.